Here I have HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera location tags on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable location tag. But first you will have to grant permission, camera permission to location, which you can find by going to permissions here, then to location, allow while using the app. And now you can easily enable location feature. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.